Baby's first adjustment.
Oh, right there.
Baby's first adjustment. She's smiling. Baby.
You like that, huh?
What do you want me? How can I help?
Nothing. Just she won't go anywhere.
Okay.
She's just kicking a little bit.
Here, let me stand. She loves to kick me, so go ahead. Baby's first adjustment.
Happening right now.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're so happy through this. You're so happy. You want to grab a foot? You want to grab a foot? There we go. Grab them feet. Grab this foot. Did you go poop?
She might after this.
Shh, shh, shh.
Where's that smile?
Here. Grab your feet. Grab the feet. Oh, you're so good. You're so good. Oh, she laughed. What did you do to her? Oh.
Hi.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at you getting all adjusted.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, she likes that.
Yeah.
My
of course
goodness.
It feels better.
My goodness.
Feels better, doesn't it? All done. All done. That was it.
All right. Baby's first adjustment.